Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. But so when people know, then just know. Anyways, guys, so today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be song association. And today I have with me my special sister, Sassy Shy. She also have a channel, so the link will be down below.
Check it out.
She does a lot of song covers and all of that. So today's shout out goes to Sashoni Madness. Right, her thing will be right here. Thank you, girl, for watching my video. Thank you very much for the support. Alright guys, so without further ado, let us get into the video. We have some papers right here. So she wrote 7 and I wrote 7, so we have 14. So each of we all have 7 things. So we're going to choose. So we're gonna start. Me or you?
Me.
Shani gonna start. So she's gonna choose one and say baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby, baby, baby. Alright, so that's one.
I thought you always be mine. Justin Bieber.
Alright, so that's one. We're not fit telling you.
Please to pass. Maybe.
The beans. So we're not fit. Alright, can I just pass mine?
No,
Jesus!
like
Breadfruit. Breadfruit roasting on an open fire. Mongrel dogs nipping at your toes. Next.
Why? Please make it not be
Sing
no.
it a bit longer, please. That's too short.
Only.
That's one of my favorites.
I'm your only one, yeah. I'm the only one, yeah.
Song. Anybody know that song there?
No.
Audience? Nobody. Not a point. Phone.
Just sweating up my hair.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent.
This is unfair. Kane was no. Next one.
So 2 for me,
Shake
1 for Shan.
Emancipation.
Yeah, are you ready? Yes, man.
Emancipate yourself
He
from
said emancipation.
mental slavery.
Audience, do you take that one?
We celebrate emancipation.
Uno is very biased. Anyways, fine. Give
But you
her.
pick me a laugh after hey boy.
Exactly. Anyways, next one I have. No, so this look like love. Love, a word that comes and goes.
That's unfair.
But few people really knows.
Yeah, you get the point.
To really love somebody.
Full.
Hello, because
Faith.
qualification. Shay, Shay.
I have faith like a mustard seed.
That is not a song, girl.
It is a song.
That is a verse in the Bible.
It is a
Sing a song. I'll give you one more chance.
It is a song. Not a song.
I never lost my faith.
You know, singing the song. Okay, then I song otherwise.
Me know. I never lost my faith.
Next one. This look like I wanna feel it. You know it's not cold.
Thank God, me not getting enough here.
And if you're feeling your spinning, you'll jump right over cold, cold water with Justin Bieber. Or if you don't know you wanna Justin Bieber song them.
Freedom is coming tomorrow. Freedom. We get that though. Right on points.
All of my points, I know you make a mother. Good girl.
Which is right.
DJ.
Are you put on
DJ
that?
fall in love. Hands up, it's time right now. Butterfly fly away.
That's a
But what song?
Come, Mr. DJ, put on the replay. I don't need nothing.
But this song is a song as well, and it has DJ in it, no?
Sir.
Yeah.
I'll walk
Next.
one and me I lose some. Peace.
Can you keep on that to go feel
But me don't know why shit show.
We should have put them in our mouth, but we can't see them.
Peace. Peace of God cover me. What song? Go song.
Take it up. This is caca for me. Pretty, pretty, please, won't you ever please feel like you're nothing?
I wish you
are perfect to pretty to me.
Wanna give me one song with face?
Pink song.
So give me one now.
Dancehall can't play.
No, they can't help you.
Yo. Me quit. I know
That's
that.
like me go win.
Face. Face now no song.
Night. When the night falls, it
Listen to me. Next
you know
time,
this said that song there.
me now come up on a game like I'm in a no song.
The winner, we have come to a conclusion
I'm a
of
prize.
7 to 5.
Who got 7?
The winner is, drum roll please, me. The winner is Shakay.
Give me a prize. Give me a prize.
Give me the prize. Sit there.
Seat there. Seat right over there.
Surprise.
I mean, wait.
Woo! Yay! Prize! Whoop whoop!
Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Come on, Shanky, you have to do it with me. You have to do it with me. Come, bring it up, bring it up.